Good morning, everybody. This is your overlanding soldier, and today we're going to check out Atlanta's overland meet and greet. It's called Skottles and Bottoms. It's been for about 2 years. Today's featured rig is going to be an F-150 Raptor. You'll see other rigs amongst Toyota, Land Cruisers, 4Runners, whatever may come up today. We're here at Atlanta Sweetwater Tap Room. Stay tuned. All right, so guys, we got the first Raptor coming up. It's gonna be an all black classic. Can never go wrong with that. Then you got your maroon. It's got a few lights in the front bumper there. You got the 6 Snow White Ford Raptor. And check out this gray one, man. It's pretty sick. You got another black classic. This is my favorite right here coming up. The Police Blue, guys. Police Blue. American flag in the front. It says Ford. Can never go wrong with that. And you got your gray. Cut it out because they in the way. We'll get close right there.
Yeah, I saw them posting about that team player giveaway. Can't believe you won. That's cool though. Yeah.
Another sick black one. This one's nice, guys. You got like your quicksand, sandstorm color right here. It's pretty good. You got even like an older model here, man. A bunch of mods on it. So we got our first Rubicon Gladiator right here. We've got, what's your name?
Ken.
We got Ken. He's here with the rig. He's going to explain a little bit about his mods and the rooftop tent.
So we got a Rubicon Gladiator. First thing we did is we put a new suspension, new lift kit on it, and then the biggest thing I just put up is the Alley Cab 3.0 rooftop tent, where you can sleep 2 people in there. It has lights inside, and it also has the awnings out here. We have a 270 awning, which just goes all the way around. You can fold it up and coming out. You can see it on the next one there, and then you can fold it up with one hand. If you want to walk inside,
I'm going up. Oh, look, it's been a while since I climbed the ladder. It's nice. Definitely can sleep too easily. All right, guys. So, we're going to have the Jeep, guys. Of course, we got a bunch of Gladiators out here. We got a couple of Rubicons, some Wranglers. We got the smoke gray here, the red lining. Got a nice front bumper there with the winch. Pretty nice rig. My favorite color, you got your maroon, KC spotlights on the top. They're definitely taking it off-road somewhere. And you also got your light gray here on Demon Time. Red tow hooks, nice suspension here. They got a Falcon lift kit, obviously. Then you got your old school Jeep, white in color. Can't go wrong with that. And there's some more KC lights on the front right there with the Smitty built front bumper with the winch, tow winch. Then you got your veteran owned Overland project. This particular smoke gray Gladiator is in conjunction with the first black Rubicon Gladiator that we viewed the first time. And this is a sweet Overland build. They've also got the rooftop tent. It's similar to the other one we featured, but one thing is different is you can't have a ladder. You have to climb up for the back on this one. So pretty nice. All right, guys. So we've seen some Raptors. We've seen some Jeeps. Now we're going to get to my favorite part. Obviously, your Toyota. So we're going to have some RAV4s, Land Cruiser, Tacoma, stuff like that. So right here, obviously, you got your 4Runner, newer model, white and black. Can't go gold. Check out this Tacoma right here. It's going to have that smoke gray, extra big tires, the navy blue. Then, of course, we're going to have my rig here, the fjcruiser. It's going to be my personal favorite of everyone here, but of course, my opinion is going to be a little biased. Can't go wrong with the Coyote Brown. Then we got your old Nissan here. Pretty good off-road vehicle here. You can tell they definitely do some off-road in that. Coming up on another white Toyota. This one actually is going to have a Toyota Racing Development TRD Pro off-road edition for this 4Runner. You also got an older model RX 350 Lexus. All right, and just keep going down the road. We got some guys here. Hey, how you doing? We got some guys enjoying some beer. Got a sweet navy blue 4Runner right here. Super clean, super clean. All right, we're running down the line. Of course, we got some more of your 4Runners. This one's gonna be a nice smoke gray with the police blue emblem there. And then you also got a TRD off-road package on that one. Then we got a nice Rubicon. You got your olive drab or whatever you want to call it. Nice Jeep there. Of course, you got some more Jeeps coming up. And you got another old Lexus here. It's got a snorkel on it with the carbon fiber black hood. Pretty sweet. Got another Lexus right beside it. It's probably gonna obviously be a female or woman's truck. It's got some pink tow winch hook there. You got a nice, pretty nice Tacoma coming up here. As I'm moving along, still got some more Tacomas coming up. My favorite color obviously is gonna be that standard factory quicksand color that my FJ actually came in. That's a pretty sick rig right here. If I ever got another mid-size pickup, I definitely would go with Tacoma if I ever got rid of my sport track. We got some more Lexuses rolling up here. We've also got another 4runner that's got the TRD package on it, white in color. Pretty nice rig. Got your off-road and chill Jeep. Check out the suspension on this thing. I don't know if this thing is lifted 4, 5, 6 inches. I'm not sure, but it's pretty lifted. And it definitely is some off-road in this. All right. So keep moving along. Follow me. Got some more Jeeps here. It's pretty hot out. It's probably about reaching up somewhere to 70. So they got the top off of that. Get a little extra wind in there. That's pretty bone stock right there on the interior part of it. Then you got one of your older gens, 4runners. I actually like this SUV a lot. If I ever went and got an older model SUV, I definitely would go with this generation of your 4runners. And that's a pretty good color too. That forest green is always nice. Hey guys, we got this pretty sick, I call it a bumblebee yellow Tacoma rig here on the side. I originally thought those were rotor packs, but those are actually going to be your track markers. If you ever get stuck, you can throw those in the mud, help you get out. Let's do a walk around of it real quick. It's got the red Toyota logo there. Some nice fog lights, spotlight headlight. They went easy. They kept the black tow hooks. Got the rotor pack mounts on the end here, mounted to the side, and a nice husky to go with it.